Welcome back to the 8th installment in this series, where I'll be showcasing styles 700 through 799 in MidJourney. Just like in the previous videos, I'm keeping things straightforward, a single dot as the prompt, along with some parameters and the style number. This lets the style stand out, unfiltered by any text-based influence. In this video, each style is tagged with a number between 700 and 799, and I've assigned some imaginative names to each one. Remember, these names are for fun and don't reflect actual keywords in MidJourney. I've kept the aspect ratio at 16:9 for the best YouTube experience, and I'm using a fixed seed of 555 to ensure consistency. This way, any changes you see are purely due to the style variations. For a different perspective, check out my YouTube shorts, where I've shown the same styles without the fixed seed. You can find them in the shorts section or via the link in the description. Let's dive into the next set of styles. And that's as we've covered a lot of ground with these 100 styles. If any of them stood out to you, I'd love to hear about it. Drop a comment below with your favorites. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell to stay in the loop. Thanks so much for watching.